Mumbai is so vast that you will find hundreds of tech startups in Mumbai, but how will you find them? I agree that Bangalore is the capital of tech startups in India. It is even called the Silicon Valley of India. But Mumbai is also ranking second in terms of tech startups in India. So how will you find them? So you can use a platform called Chopping Tech. You just need to go over choppingtech.com and you will see something like this is the home page of choppingtech.com. Just go to explore now, and if you have not purchased the membership, you will be prompted this page and you will need to purchase the membership from here. But if you have already purchased the membership, then you will receive some credentials on your email, that is your login ID and password. So once you receive those email ID and password, just go to your my account and insert your email address or username or and password. So I will just quickly do that for myself. As soon as you enter your email ID password, you will be redirected to this premium page where hundreds of tech startups in India as well as some international tech startups that are hiring remotely will appear in front of you. This is the whole page, and there are literally 700 plus tech startups right now which are increasing day by day. So you can just go over here and go to location and choose Mumbai, because we are talking about tech startups in Mumbai, and then you can categorize as per your interest. So I will not do that for now. I will just go to a random tech startup, that is let's say Alt Balaji. So this is a company which is a famous digital media company, and mind you that most of the digital media companies in India are located in Mumbai because of the obvious reasons and the background. So here is the official careers page of Alt Balaji. They are hiring iOS developer, data analyst right now. So this is how we have kept it simple, because we link the official careers page of the companies and we don't act as mediators. We don't collect your data or resume or literally anything. We just ask you for a membership fees because we need to run the platform, and further we don't sell your data or we don't earn by any other means. And this is how you will be landing on the official careers page of any company. You can further carry out your research by knowing what exactly, for example, Alt Balaji is an OTT platform, so you will carry out your research by knowing what exactly the company is doing. For example, this is another company, that is, let's say, Box 8. So what is it? Food delivery app. It's a food delivery app that will be helping you to find out in food tech startups. So that's how you will be using this platform. Now I have another way for those who don't want to purchase membership. They have another way to find tech startups in Mumbai. Just go to my blog section and you will find a blog that is related to tech startups in Mumbai. So here I have listed 10 to 15 best tech startups in Mumbai, huge tech startups in Mumbai. For example, this is PharmEasy, and I will just read what exactly PharmEasy is doing, and I will just find out what technologies they are using, and then finally I will check for job openings. You will get all the open positions here. You can even choose remote jobs that they are hiring for. And once you are done with applying or researching with this company, you can carry over your research further in the same blog. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish that you will get your dream job or freelance work as soon as possible. I wish best of luck for that, and if you need any help from my side, just let me know. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, anywhere, or just DM over there, or just tag me on Twitter and ask anything that you have. If you have any doubts, just let me know, and I will still prompt you that if you buy the membership of this website, you will get instant access to hundreds of tech startups in India where you can apply for jobs. So I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.